time to turn in an assignment that was completed as a Google document, what you're going to do is you are going to go to Schoology. You are going to navigate to your course, locate the assignment that you need to turn in. And for this one, because we've connected Google to our resources, we are going to submit your assignment through resources. So you're going to select Submit Assignment, Resources, Apps, Google Drive, which has already been approved. You'll click on your 6th grade folder, Language Arts, and find your document to import. Import the file, and that's going to put that into Schoology for you.